show you guys how to do pruning. I just want to show you guys how to prune this dragon plant today. So last year I left it how it is. I want to see how long it will get and see if it will fruit down here. However, there's not enough nutrient to supply all these healthy branches. So what happened over the summer is, as these branches were growing out longer, there were fruits growing at the top. So what happened is all the nutrient were going to the fruits and all the energy were stopping going down to these branches, and they were getting very dehydrated. So I couldn't cut them because it was very skinny at that time. So I left it how it is, waited for the next year. They plumb it up. You see how thick it is? So this year I will not leave it longer than this pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I prune my dragon plant from here. I'm gonna go ahead and chop it all off right here, so all the energy can focus on the branches at the top and give out more fruit this year, instead of wasting time and energy growing these branches down here. Okay, so my recommendation is, if you're growing dragon fruit in the plants, try to not have many branches at the top, because what it does is it suck up all the energy and nutrient and not trying to give out the fruit in the summer. So I would recommend you just leave about, if you're growing a big pot like this, 20-25, try to leave about 7 to 8 branches. All right, but if you're going the ground, directly in the ground, you can have as many as you need. Okay, because there's a lot of nutrient that are growing through the ground. Okay, but for the pot, you always have to keep maintaining all the nutrient, the NPK, all the good stuff in the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to prune this. This year is clean, right? How you clean it, you would use alcohol, right? Spray on it, and this is clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean this up a little bit. So this year I want more fruit. I'm not trying to grow more branches this year. So what it does, when you prune, it forces new growth to prune right here. What it tells is, it says stop growing out more, stop putting more energy towards to this branch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just prune all this off. These are big cut-ins. These are Sunta 3 dragon fruit. A Sunta 3, don't get confused this with the Sunta 3 official. This is not the Sunta 3 official. This is a Sunta 3 Oceanside. A Sunta 3 official, I was told that the flower gets stuck. So what it does is, it doesn't open wide enough, and when it doesn't open wide enough, you won't know if you need to hand pollinate, and over time it get fungus disease in there, and then the flower drop and die. Or if it does flower, and you do hand pollinate and become a fruit, the fruit doesn't taste good and the seed germinate inside the fruit. That's what I was told. But again, do not get this confused with the Sunta 3 official. This is not the Sunta 3 official. Okay, this is Oceanside Sunta 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and just prune it so I can get more fruit this year. On here, it's just gonna suck up more energy and nutrient, and that way you can't produce more fruit. So, and usually to get fruit from a small plant, it takes about 18 to 24 months. It varies based on your temperature too, where you live, in what zone. I'm in Southern California, San Diego, so it's easier to get fruit. That's all I'm going to prune today. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I did cut a lot of branches off from here, and I think this should be good enough. where it's gonna give me a lot of fruit this year. I do not need to trim anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and show you around what it looks like. And these are all the branches that was pruned. Check it out, guys. There's just so many of them. Yeah. There you go. As you can see, I trim a lot of branches off. As you can see, it looks much better than before, right? I want to take off a lot as I needed. But there you go. If you guys have any questions on how to prune your dragon plants, please let me know in the bottom comment section. And please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.